Examination of blood stains. If a stain is at the crime scene, it looks like blood in appearance and consistency. Then the following basic questions come into the mind. Whether the stain of blood or something else. There are different varieties of stains that resembles the blood stains and may confuse us. They are rust stain of iron weapon or instrument, vegetable stain, mulberry, blackberry, tobacco, pan juice, synthetic dye, mineral stain, miscellaneous stain, spots of resins, grease, paint, coal tar or fabrics looks like an old blood stain. To differentiate blood stain from other stain, there are screening color test as well as a confirmatory test. Whether the blood is of human origin or non-human origin. Determination of a species. Determination of species origin when it is confirmed by confirmatory test that the blood stain is blood. The next question is whether that blood belongs to human or animal. Thus, to know this fact, serological tests are conducted. For example, immunological test, isoenzyme method. For example, this lactate dehydrogenases, peroxidases, esterases, and DNA test. Next is what is the age of the blood stain. Fresh stain on light-colored cloth appears bright red, moist and sticky. In 24 hours, it turns reddish-brown. After 24 hours, it turns dark and brown and black. Whether it is arterial or venous. Arterial blood stain recently shed. Arterial blood is bright red. Arterial bleeding has a sprouting effect. The venous blood stain recently shed. The venous blood is dark red. Venous bleeding occurs passively. Whether it is antemortem and postmortem. Antemortem origin of blood stain. Coagulation occurs with a partially solidification and separation of serum. Clot can be taken out in mass from the spot. After removal of the clot, stained area usually retains the impression of a fibrinous network owing to the process of clot formation. On stretching, the clot can be separated in classes due to presence of fibrin. The postmortem origin of blood stain, a postmortem solidification occurs without proper coagulation. Clot cannot be taken out en masse from the spot. After removal of the clot, the stained area does not retain the impression of a fibrinous network. On stretching, the clot becomes a powder. Thank you.